to our 45th Pasalamat Festival. And tonight we are celebrating the third day of our week-long festivity. Sigurado nag-enjoy ang tanan sa atong opening band ang August. This time, ladies and gentlemen, we would like to do some favor for them as you support for the following socials they have. These guys, ladies and gentlemen, are such talented group from Bacolod City. And speaking of quick check, nakita ni Subo nagapuno na gid ang atong public plaza and of course ang our main festival event. Gusto ko na i-check ang ato ng mga audience sa silingang gabi. I'm pretty sure hindi nang mangkasanon ang ari diri. Joining our festivity tonight are our friends coming from the different nearby cities and municipalities within across Negros Island region. Let me hear the sound and noise of our friends coming from Bago City! Ay, kadamo sa mga taga-Bago. How about from Pulupandan? How about from San Enrique? Yes, bumalapit ang San Enrique. How about Pontevedra? Tag ang pinakamalapit na munisipalidad sa aton, all the way from the municipality of La Castellana. Thank you so much. Kanangin kabayin ka mo sa amon nga 43rd Pasalamat Festival. And of course, this time, ladies and gentlemen, at this point of time, sigurado ang tanan excited na. But of course, I just would like to check the energy sa tanan nga ari diri nga proud Mangkasanon! Mangkasanon! Hip hip! Yeah, talaga ang vibes and spirit of our Pasalamat Festival talagang madadama natin sa bawat Mangkasanons tonight. Kakabalugi ko, this is gonna be a silly question, ladies and gentlemen. Pero gusto ko git mabatian direct sa tanan ng mga audience, especially sa ating pinanangga ang Mangkasanon, kung sino kitala ang ginahulat sa tanan. I can hear you, sino? Yes, ang ginahulat sa tanan si Elias. Yes, we hear you, ladies and gentlemen. Now, while we prepare for the next act, take time to grab some food and check out our festival streets where we have the best choices of food na gina-offer sa kagsa-kagsa ka mga bisita, ilang ginagit sa tanan ng mga Mangkasanons na nagkari sa siling festival namon. And of course, ginarimahin ang tanan, please stay hydrated with kita because malawig pa ini nga gabi together.